Let us learn الحرف ضاء. The sound of the letter ضاء with the فتحة is ظ. The sound of the letter ضاء with the ضمة is ظ. The sound of the letter ضاء with the كسرة is ضي. The sound of the letter ضاء with the long vowels. The sound of the letter ضاء with the long vowel ضا. The sound of the letter ضاء with the long vowel ظو. The sound of the letter ضاء with the long vowel ضي. The sound of the letter ضاء with the absence of the short vowels السكون أض. The letter ضاء changes shape depending on its position in a word. Let's see some examples of the words. The word ظبي starts with the letter ظ and it means antelope. The word ظلام starts with the letter ظ and it means dark or darkness. The word نظارة has the letter ظ in the middle and it means glasses. The word بوظة has the letter ظ in the middle and it means ice cream. The word محظوظ ends with the letter ظ and it has the letter ظ in the middle and it means lucky. The word مستيقظ ends with the letter ظ and it means awake.